Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Make sure you're logged into the right account before you begin, so everything goes smoothly. Step 2. Next, from the main screen, you'll land in the Chats tab by default. Find the contact whose status you want to repost and tap on their name to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, look for the Mentions option. Tap on it to see any status updates where you've been mentioned or updates you can interact with. Step 4. If you decide to repost the status, look for the Add to Status option. Tap it to begin editing and preparing your repost. Step 5. Now you'll be taken to the status editor. Here, you can adjust the post if needed, add a caption, stickers, or just leave it as it is. Once you're happy with it, click the green Send button at the bottom right. And that's it. You've successfully reposted someone's status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.